Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. David here, and I woke up to this beautiful snowy morning, and it got me thinking about rates. What is a rate? Did you guys have any idea what a rate is? Or give me an example of a rate? Well, because I'm looking at the snow here, it got me thinking about how much snow is falling per hour. Right? And I thought, well, there's so many different rates, and maybe people don't really have a good understanding of what a rate is. And it leads into this amazing part of mathematics called proportional reasoning, which is basically one of the most useful and undertaught things in high school. So a rate is basically, here we talk about how much snow fell per hour. So how many centimeters or how many inches fell per hour. We talk about rates all the time when you go shopping, how much per pound or how much per kilogram or how much per 100 grams. Or how much per liter. You talk about it when you go buy gas. You're paying per liter. Or if you're in the States, you're paying per gallon. When you're driving in your car, how many kilometers in an hour. So these rates, we talked about measurements, all the different things that we can measure. And now we start combining the measurements to make these things called rates. And rates basically govern so much of our lives because a lot of things are based on time. So how much work can you get done in a minute of time? How much are they going to pay you per hour? How much does it cost to pay your plumber per hour? And time, they equate to money. So, when you're driving somewhere, how long will it take you to get there? How much fuel will you use to get there? So rates, ladies and gentlemen, are an essential part of our lives. And proportional reasoning is the next step to this. And it allows us to solve crazy math questions, So I was using my chainsaw, cutting a bunch of wood yesterday, and you got to put some gas oil mixture in there. So there's a ratio there, a rate. There's 50 to 1. So 50 parts of gas, 1 part of oil. You got to make sure you get the right mixture in there. Otherwise, your engine won't work properly. Anyways, maybe I enlightened you a little bit. Maybe I did. See you later. Bye.